Home remedies for hypertension. Indian gooseberry or amla. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh amla juice with an equal amount of honey. Drink this mixture daily before breakfast. Amla juice is an effective home remedy for high blood pressure. Avocado is a good source of dietary fiber. It is rich in vitamins, monounsaturated fat and potassium. Avocado is very low in cholesterol. Onions are a very good source of biotin. Onion is also rich in vitamin C, B1, B6, folate, copper, phosphorus, manganese, potassium and dietary fiber. Rutin flavonoid present in onions has antithrombotic properties. Apricot. Apricots are a good source of potassium and vitamin A. Apricots are low in saturated fat, cholesterol and sodium content. Snack on dried apricots to lower blood pressure levels. Garlic. Fresh crushed garlic has the best effect. Consume 1 to 2 cloves of garlic with meals daily. Garlic has anti-cholesterol properties which lowers high blood pressure. Ginger with honey and cumin powder. Make a mixture with 1 teaspoon of honey, ginger juice and cumin powder. Stir well and consume twice a day. Prune. Prunes are a rich source of dietary fiber. Potassium in prunes helps in regulating heartbeat. 1 cup of pitted prunes contains 1274 mg of potassium. Muskmelon or cantaloupe. Muskmelon is an excellent source of vitamin A and C. Sodium content in muskmelon works as an anticoagulant which controls high blood pressure. Celery leaves contain high levels of 3N-butyl phthalate, which is a phytochemical, helps in weight loss and controls high blood pressure. Celery leaves drink curbs the appetite and burns calories. Banana. Snack a whole banana. Add banana slices to the cereal or make a fruit salad with banana. A medium-sized banana will provide 422 mg of potassium. Grapefruit contains vitamin A and C which helps in toning blood vessels. Flavonoids present in grapefruit lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Consumption of a grapefruit every day lowers blood pressure. Watermelon seeds. Grind some dry roasted seeds. Add the seeds to 2 cups of water and boil for 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and consume daily in the morning and evening. Watermelon seeds are a good source of vitamin A, C, B1 and B6, folate, magnesium and potassium. Cocoa prevents and controls high blood pressure levels, acts as an antioxidant, as anti-inflammatory and anti-atherogenic. 2 cups of cocoa improves blood vessel function and reduces blood pressure. Carrot, spinach and parsley play a significant role in lowering blood pressure. Drink a glass of juice twice a day to control blood pressure. Potato. Boiled potatoes lower blood pressure. The fiber content present in potatoes help in lowering cholesterol. Ravolfire, Indian snake root or sarpagandha, contains alkaloids which control certain nerve pathways. Indian snake root acts on the heart and blood vessels to lower high blood pressure. Consume 1 to 2 grams of sarpagandha powder every day. Oranges and lemons. Oranges and lemons are high in vitamin C, dietary fiber and low in calories. Oranges and lemons are a good source of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A and folate. Apart from fruits, raisins, dates, figs and molasses also contain high amounts of potassium. Other natural remedies. Reduce caffeine intake. Maintain a diet chart to regulate healthy body weight. Listening to music reduces daily stress and regular practice of yoga helps maintain overall health.